Hi everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials, your go-to channel for letter writing guidance that's clear, practical, and easy to follow. In today's video, I'll walk you through a complete job application letter written for a receptionist position at a dental clinic. And I won't just read it out, I'll break down each part of the letter, explain the purpose of every sentence, and guide you through how you can write something just like this. If you're applying for a receptionist job, whether in a clinic, office, or hotel, this video will give you a strong professional example to follow. So let's get started. Sender's information. We begin with the applicant's contact information, placed at the top of the letter and aligned to the left. Amanda R. Whitman, 418 Willow Creek Drive, Des Moines, Iowa, 50309, 515-223-9477. amanda.whitman@email.com. This part tells the hiring manager who you are and how to reach you. Always include your full name, street address, city with zip code, phone number, and email address. Make sure the email address is professional. Avoid using casual nicknames or outdated handles. This part is simple, but important. Think of it as your letterhead. Date of writing, June 30th, 2025. Right below your contact info, you write the date. This shows when the letter was written or submitted. Always use the full format, month, day, and year. This makes your application look polished and current. Recipient's information. Next comes the employer's contact information. Hiring manager. Midwest Dental Group, 3250 Ingersoll Avenue, Des Moines, Iowa, 50312. If you don't know the name of the person reviewing applications, it's okay to write hiring manager. Then list the organization's name and address. This shows that your letter is directed specifically to this employer, not a generic copy. Subject line. Subject. Application for receptionist position. This subject line gets straight to the point. It tells the reader exactly what job you're applying for. Writing subject. Application for receptionist position is clear, formal, and helpful, especially if the employer is hiring for multiple roles. Salutation or greeting. Dear hiring manager, this is the salutation, the greeting. If you know the manager's name, you can say Dear Ms. Johnson or Dear Dr. Smith. But Dear hiring manager works perfectly if you don't. Always capitalize the first letter of each word and make sure to include a comma at the end. Now we move on to the body of the letter. This is where you tell your story and explain why you're the right person for the job. First paragraph, introduction and intent. I'm writing to apply for the receptionist position at Midwest Dental Group, as advertised. With a strong background in front desk operations and customer service, I'm confident in my ability to represent your office with professionalism and warmth. This opening paragraph sets the tone. In the first sentence, Amanda states her purpose. I am writing to apply for the receptionist position. This is clear, respectful, and shows that she's responding to a job listing. In the second sentence, she briefly introduces her qualifications. She mentions experience in front desk operations and customer service, two essential skills for this job. She also uses positive words like professionalism and warmth to describe the attitude she brings. That gives the reader a great first impression. So remember, your first paragraph should say what you're applying for and why you're a good match. Second paragraph, work experience. For the past 3 years, I have worked as a receptionist at Riverbend Medical Clinic in Des Moines, where I handled multi-line phone systems, scheduled appointments, and welcomed patients with a friendly and efficient approach. My ability to stay organized in fast-paced environments and my commitment to maintaining confidentiality aligns well with the expectations of your clinic. This is the heart of the letter, your experience and responsibilities. The first sentence provides details. Amanda worked for 3 years at a medical clinic, relevant to the dental field. She lists her key tasks, managing phone calls, scheduling appointments, and greeting patients. Each of these shows she can multitask, communicate, and stay organized. The second sentence adds more value. She talks about staying calm under pressure and keeping patient information confidential. Both are crucial in healthcare settings. This paragraph is a great example of how to describe your experience clearly and relate it to the new job. Third paragraph, skills and personality. I am proficient in office software such as Microsoft Office Suite and practice management systems like Dentrix. I take pride in my communication skills and positive attitude, which I believe are essential when interacting with patients, especially in a dental setting where empathy and clarity are important. Now we move into technical skills and soft skills. In the first sentence, Amanda lists tools she can use: Microsoft Office and Dentrix, a common dental software. This shows the employer she's ready to hit the ground running. In the second sentence, she focuses on her personal qualities. She highlights communication, positivity, empathy, and clarity, all of which are very important when dealing with patients who may be anxious or confused. This paragraph helps paint a full picture, not just what Amanda can do, but how she does it. Fourth paragraph. Why this company? Midwest Dental Group's emphasis on patient-centered care and professionalism resonates with my values, and I would be honored to contribute to your front desk team. I am available for an interview at your earliest convenience and would be happy to provide any additional information you may need. This is where you show you've done your homework. Amanda references the company's values: patient care and professionalism. That shows she's not just looking for any job, she wants this one. Then she expresses interest in joining their team and offers to meet for an interview. This paragraph shows respect, eagerness, and a personalized touch. Closing paragraph. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the possibility of joining your team. Always end your letter with gratitude and optimism. Here, Amanda thanks the hiring manager for their time. Then she expresses hope to be part of the team. It's polite, humble, and professional. Sign off and signature. Sincerely, Amanda R. Whitman. The sign-off sincerely is formal and appropriate. You can also use kind regards or best regards. Then type your name below it. If you're printing and mailing the letter, leave space between the sign-off and your name to add a handwritten signature. But if you're sending it by email or uploading it online, just typing your name is fine. And there you have it. A complete professional receptionist job application letter, broken down piece by piece. Remember, every part of this letter has a purpose. Start with your contact info, keep the tone formal but warm, and be specific about your experience and skills. Most importantly, customize it for the company you're applying to. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more videos just like this. We post regularly to help you write letters that get noticed, whether you're applying for jobs, scholarships, or anything in between. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.